Good morning, everyone. Today is the 12th of April, 2018. It's Thursday morning, and the market's about to open here. Let's see what happens. Yesterday was Fed Day. Did not see anything on the GC or were they on the CL, so did not trade. Okay, watching the BBs here, looking at the spread, the distance between one another, is telling me everything's all right, everything's fine, everything's the way it's supposed to be. Nothing to get worried about. Even though we're going sideways here, BBs are pushing down. They're telling us everything is all right. Okay, notice right here the BBs were separated from the rail, then they got closer. That means they got stronger. The power got stronger to the downside. Okay, that's what that means. When the BBs are tight to the band, it's very powerful. When there's separation, that's a sign of weakness. Right here, great place to add on or to get into the trade. See if you got into the trade right here. Let's say you got in right about here. Okay, you have to hold for 3 nuggets down here. Right about there. Awesome, target's filled. Got my 3 nuggets this morning. And I'm going to call it a weekend here. If you got in here, you have to hold for the 3 nuggets, which is down here. And you're almost there. Didn't quite get it down there, so you didn't quite get your 3 nuggets yet. But this was a very late entry, but I saw the power to the downside and felt comfortable jumping in. Let's look at everything here. At the open, what did I see? Okay, here's what the open looked like, right? And once again, market's going sideways here. There's consolidation, right? So it's basically from here to here. That pivot to that pivot here, okay? And the BBs are starting to come down already. So by the time the entry happened here, okay, we're still consolidating here. The BB started printing on the rail already, which means there's power to the downside. So a quick glance over here, a quick glance over here to see what's happening, and we could see that the BBs are starting to lead the way and the price is still consolidating. Many times it happens very, very quickly, okay? That's what we look for in terms of an entry. If you were to actually confirm that, oh, yeah, right here, the BBs are actually going down, many times it's already too late to get into the trade, if that makes sense. Okay, so we're shooting from the hip, and the first instance of a picture where the price is going sideways and the BBs are going down, that's a very valuable entry point. And it's our simplest entry point. It doesn't get any easier than that. There are very many opportunities like this if you just watch for them. Some are a little bit earlier. You're able to detect them a little earlier. Some just a little bit later. So if you're at the early stages of watching the MACD BBs, this is something that you're focused on. There's obviously more intense observations and calculations for the advanced calculations, but this is the basics. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, this is very easy to follow. It's it's in its simplest form. Done for the day here. You guys are awesome. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.